Hi guys, it's ASBYT and today's video is a different one. We're talking about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and one huge limited edition version rumour. There's some excitement, there's some false claims, and there's some broken dreams. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. If you're new to the channel and love everything tech, news, unboxings, reviews, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and ding that notification bell so that every time I post a video you are notified and can stay up to date with all of the latest tech. Right, so welcome back. Like I said, before you say it, yes, I'm wearing Woody from Toy Story's shirt. I know it's going to come in the comments, so I'm just going to I'm going to get there first, all right? Should we carry on with the video? Yeah. Right, so the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 is due to be released in and around August this year, not long now at all. And I will of course be doing my unboxing and review video as well. But something that I found very interesting over the last week is how, especially in the tech community, one idea, one leak, one rumor can snowball like an old-fashioned kids whisper game and create something that simply isn't there. So what am I talking about? One of the main rumors about the Galaxy Note 10 was the fact that we're going to have at least two different models, a Pro version and a standard version. But also one of the latest rumors is the fact that we are due to see a limited edition version where Samsung team up with a huge company to create a unique and truly beast device. Now we all love a limited edition version and this one would be no different. Flashed across many news outlets, some fairly reputable as well, is the news that a leaker on the Chinese social media platform Weibo actually shared an image of the Galaxy Note 10 Tesla limited edition, which will be launching alongside the other two in August, except it's not, is it? Because if we take a closer look at that photo, the watermark is hiding another watermark. That in itself is poor form. Of course, underneath is the text, Mr. Who's the Boss, because this picture comes from Aaron's Instagram post, which was a concept that him and his team designed, and how this has snowballed into what it is, I will never know. Moral of the story is, don't believe everything you hear or read. Bit of a light-hearted video today. I just thought this story was kind of quite funny. And I wanted to give Mr. Who's the Boss some of the credit that he deserves. As always, when reputable leaks and rumors do come out, I will be sharing video content with you as well as my unboxing, review, camera comparison videos as well, etc. So if you want to see those, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. You turn on the notification bell so that when I post those videos, you are notified. Drop a like on the video if you enjoyed it. Apparently it helps the channel somehow. I don't know. Share this video with everyone you know who loves a conspiracy theory or a scandal. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. ASBYT, peace out.